Hello friends and dear students. Today in continuation with the nutritional value of different vegetables, fruit or tree, I am going to discuss about drumstick. You know drumstick, also known as horseradish tree. Generally, this drumsticks very important for nutritional point of view. Why it is important? For all the age group of human beings, children will get sufficient amount of vitamins C, vitamin B complex, vitamin K, then vitamin A, and all the age group, especially children, women, adult human beings, old age peoples, will get sufficient amount of different type of minerals, vitamins, carbon source, means carbohydrate source, energy source, proteins. So just try to know what is drumstick. You know, this is a fruit of the drumstick. We can cook as a vegetables. We can also use the different part of drumsticks like leaves, new leaves. Very important for nutritional point of view, and it is also used for treatment of hypertension. So if you observe the nutritional value of the leaves and the flowers and fruits we are using as vegetables, every part of this drumsticks can be used, means every part of the tree of the drumstick can be used for getting so many versatile nutritional value for the treatment and growth of human beings. First of all, I am going to tell you the vitamins. If you are taking as a children this drumstick part as a vegetables in your meal, you will get vitamins A. You know vitamins A very important for your vision. Rod and tonsil will work properly if you are taking a vitamin A source from the drumstick. You can make a soup, you can make a vegetables, you can make a curry through this sticks, through the leaf part and through the flowers of drumstick. You can make a pakora of drumsticks and you enjoy it. Okay, so first of all, that is vitamin A. Next, that is folate. That is very important for your blood formation, for RBC formations, and vitamin C. You know vitamin C, that is present in 51.7 micrograms. Vitamin A present in 378 micrograms. In how much? Only in 100 gram drumsticks. Okay. So if you observe the minerals, very important minerals for the growing children, that is calcium and phosphorus. These two minerals very abundant in case of this drumstick leaves, drumsticks fruits and drumstick flowers. So that is important for your bone formation. You know the osteoporosis, there is a formation of a small pore in your bone. If you are not taking calcium in your food, phosphorus in your food, so you know just in 100 grams drumstick you will get only 112 milligram means sufficient source of phosphorus, sufficient source of calcium, because this calcium is responsible as a raw materials for your bone formation. So you can strong your bones if you are taking these simple drumsticks. Although these are present in the different part of India, especially in UP, Bihar, West Bengal, you can observe as a common name that is Sajna and Sohijna. This is the common name in UP, Bihar and West Bengal. Then you can also treat the vein tree in Europe country, then Munaga and Munga. In case of you will find in other states, and Sanjana and Sohijana. Generally you can observe this name as in Punjabi. So you know, if you are taking any type of vegetables, you can mix in any type of vegetables, okay, along with dosa. You can use this, means making soup, okay, and then you get the different type of minerals like calcium, iron, that is the rich source. In case of drumstick, that is 4 milligrams, okay, and then you will find magnesium, okay. Magnesium very important for your health point of view, and phosphorus, you know, it is very important raw materials, phosphorus and calcium. And then sodium, you know, sodium, that is important for your nerve impulse transmissions. And then protein, for growing children, the requirement of protein, because protein is building block of the body, of the tissue. So energy, you will get sufficient amount of energy from this drumsticks. So I am suggesting that if you are children, you must tell your parents that I have to eat drumstick. Why you will eat? Because you will get all the type of vitamins. Vitamin C, you know, vitamin C, that is 51.7 micrograms, okay. And then vitamin B complex means all the type of vitamin, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 and B12, like that. And vitamin K, you know, vitamin K is help in blood clotting. If there is deficiency of vitamin K, then if a single cut mark present on your body, then no clotting occurs, okay. So, and beta carotene is important precursors of vitamins A. So that beta carotene help in your vision. Rod cell that will work in night, and your cone cell that will work in your day in your eyes. If this cell will not work in deficiency of vitamin A, you are getting vitamin A from beta carotene, that is immediate precursors. So children will suffer from night blindness, okay. Now there are so many use of this vegetables, soup form, vegetable form, or any other form. You can take this drumsticks, okay. So it is very important, that is antioxidant. What do you mean by antioxidant? It will prevent, detoxify whatever the free radicals form in your body after taking so many medicines like antibiotics, like any other type of medicines, okay. So you know, quercetin and chlorogenic acid, this is present as an antioxidant in this drumsticks, okay. So try to recognize this is drumstick. You can find this drumstick in your local markets, and you tell your parents, I have to eat drumstick. If you are old people, you must take the leaves and you simply boil the leaves in a simple waters, and the water and then after boiling for 10 to 15 minutes you can take a soup. So it will reduce the BP and normalize your blood pressures. Okay, so you know why it is going to tell that strengthening the bones, the vegetable forms of this drumstick, why it is going to strengthen your bone, because there is rich source of calcium, okay. So these drumsticks contain calcium 185 micrograms, okay, and then you will find milligrams, okay, and the magnesium, that is 147 milligrams, and phosphorus and calcium, that is the raw material for your bones. So you can strengthen your bone, because in older age or in growing age, that nutrient or minerals is very, very important, because after 30 the chance of osteoporosis, means small pore, will develop in your bone due to deficiency of calcium and phosphorus, and your bone become fragile, weak. So you have to take this drumstick in the form of vegetables, in the form of soups, in the form of curry, and you can use the leaves simply boiled. Okay. Next is augments your immune systems, means it is going to enhance your strengthening your immunity. Okay, because there is sufficient amount of vitamins and minerals that is responsible for your strengthening of your immune system. And then promote the gut health, means in your mouth, if there is chance of infection, and if you are eating drumstick, any part, either fruit part or the leaf part, like that, or the flower part, then there is no chance of infection inside your teeth, okay, guts. So it regulates the hypertension. If you are suffering from high BP, means you know range of blood pressure, lower unit that is 80 and upper unit that is 120. If your BP is above 130, so it will maintain your BP in this range. If you are simply boil the leaves or boil the stem parts, fruit parts or flowers in simple waters, and if you drink it, no chance of high blood pressure. So that is going to reduce your hypertension. It is also important for your kidney health. If you are healthy, then the formation of RBC. Okay, so inside the kidney also there is a formation of RBC. Inside the bone marrow also there is a formation of RBC. So if your kidney will suffer dysfunctioning in your kidney, then it is going to improve your kidney if you are taking any form of this fruits or leaf part of this drumsticks. You can say sajna, sojna, bentri, then in Tamil Murungai, and then in Malayalam Moringa. Okay, so you always prefer your children. If you are parents, if you are children, you tell your parents, I have to eat any form of drumstick in our diets. Okay. Next, lower the risk of cancer. There is so many important compounds present inside this drumstick, that is anti-cancerous compound, and prevent the chance of cancer, and also improve your liver health, because there is least amount of fat. Okay, and then it also fight with infection, because there is sufficient amount of different type of vitamins, different type of minerals that enhance your immunity and prevent the infections, and also regulate your diabetes. Okay. So if your blood sugar level in fasting, if it is above 100, and after meal if it is above 140 reading, then you are diabetic. In that situation, you can manage your diabetic conditions through eating the different form of this drumsticks. Means you can use as vegetables, you can use as a curry, you can use as a soup after boiling the leaves, and you can use in the form of snacks, means pakore, from the flour of these drumsticks. Okay, so this is very, very important, and you should encourage your parents if you are children. If you are a parents, then you should encourage your children to eat any form of the drumstick in your dishes. Okay, so it also promotes the vision. Why I am telling it is going to promote your vision? Because for the vision, vitamin A is very, very important, and this drumstick is the richest source of vitamin A. Okay, so you know there is a 378 microgram in only 100 grams. Okay, so it also improve your skin health. Why? Because there is this source of vitamin C, that is 51.7 micrograms. Okay, so always try to adopt, incorporate any form of drumstick vegetables, soups, curry in your diet. Why I am telling? Because it is the source of all the vitamins, it is the source of all the important minerals, and it is the source of protein for the children, for the adults, and for the old age peoples. So if you are taking this drumstick in the vegetables in your diet, then you should be healthy, and try to improve your health after taking this drumstick fruits, drumstick leaves, drumstick flowers in any forms. You can go through your internet and try to find out what is the nutritional value of these drumsticks, and try to promote your children. If you are parents, try to tell your parents if you are children for eating drumstick in any forms. Be healthy and improve your health. Thank you and have a nice day.